CROWNYING card disassembling instructions. Firstly, lift up two handles by pressing the ball spring, confirming the position from the handle. Make the two balls can stock and sustain the handle end of the up shelf. On the opposite side, also press the ball spring and pull the two handles. Then the up shelf can be removed. Look into the position of the two poles on each end are different. One is short distanced and the other is long distanced. Lay down short end first and then long end by pressing the ball spring on the bottom. Next, place the upper shelf, matching the short distance and long distance and right. Remember to pull the lock out first. And then align all four sides. Align the slots of the locks to lock the two shelves. Until now, you will get a quick luggage cart to bring you everywhere.